Hello, scholars. I just want to go over the expectations for today with you. Today is Monday, November 9th. Please make sure that you complete your warm-up as usual because this is the way that I check attendance. It will be located under week 13, Monday. So make sure that you turn that in. Today, you will engage in a meaningful and respectful discourse as well as generate questions about a text prior to reading to deepen the understanding of the text. Because in real life, you will need to be able to respectfully discuss your ideas and ask questions as you read a text in order to understand it better. You will do this by participating in a discussion board and generating questions about Victorians had the same concerns about technology we do. So go ahead and get back to Schoology. You should already have the folder for today open. That's how you were able to access this video. This is where you will be able to review to be able to complete this warm-up. Remember, the warm-up is the puzzle piece. Then you will complete the getting ready essential question discussion board. Make sure you answer in complete sentences. And the question is, which invention has had the greatest impact in your life and why? I have also included a sentence stem for you. After that, we have instructions here for the get ready activity for Victorians had the same concerns about technology we do. It is this text that we will be reading. If you need to refresh your memory on how to access it, I have the instructions here. You will access that story through HMH, the ED platform. If you've forgotten, here is a quick reminder. You will go to class link. It's this little icon with the smiley face. Click on it. Make sure that you're logging in with Pasadena ISD credentials. That means your pasadenaisd.org email or Google. You will scroll over to the assignments tab. You should have an assignments tab over here. You will click on it and the assignments will populate for you. I'm a teacher, so I don't have access to that. Make sure you click on the get ready activity and this should pop up. Get ready. The Victorians had the same concerns about technology as we do. I want you to skip the essential question because you have already answered it in the discussion board. Also, you only have to read this section. I'm not requiring you to answer it at all because we will be working on this section tomorrow once you actually start reading the text. I do need you to look at evaluate multimodal text. Make sure that you understand what a multimodal text is. You will also need to complete the critical vocabulary section and the language conventions to get yourself ready for the actual text. Make sure you complete all these assignments and you submit them. That will be it for today. Now, something that I do want to let you know is that I have created a list of Skyward third 6 weeks of assignments that will be reflected on Skyward as grades so that you can refer back to it at any time and see what you are missing. Also, there is a Skyward third 6 weeks folder where I have included all the assignments for easy retrieval. So make sure that you're keeping up with all your assignments and turning them in. If you have any of them missing, just look for them in this folder. Okay. The opinion paragraph is due today, and you know that is due through Writable, so make sure you turn it in. Have a great day, scholars.